The latest of Sonic CD, look. Not bad for getting in the mood before going to the concert.
Sissy, listen.
You're right. Let's not talk. Let's listen.
Hello? Yeah. Jeremy. Okay, I'll be right there.
Huh?
Right, I'll take care of it.
Hey, where are you going?
Jeremy just reminded me of a really important thing I have to do.
What?
Well, leave.
Oh.
Okay, Jeremy, I see her.
Yumi, do you know how Aelita got that necklace?
I think she found it on her doorstep. Do you think Xana could have put it there?
I'm launching the super scan. We'll know in a minute. In my opinion, it's that dumb necklace that gives Xana control over Aelita. He wants to lead her straight to the Schifozoa. Oh no, that's exactly what I was afraid of. Looked like Xana has activated a tower.
Don't panic, Jeremy. I've just about caught up to her. And I was about to say this was too easy. Jeremy, I don't want to sound pessimistic, but if Ulrich and Odd could hurry up a bit...
You see, Jim, Aelita's got 104 fever, so naturally she wants to see her cousin. He's her only family here.
A minute ago it was 103.
Right, her temperature keeps going up by the minute.
What do you take me for, some kind of idiot?
Well, no, Jim. Excuse me. Yeah, well, no, Jim doesn't believe me. About Aelita's fever.
Okay, put him on, Ulrich.
Here you are, Jim. It's for you.
Yes? Yes? Oh, of course. I understand, Mr. Delmas.
Huh? Do you hear me, Jim? Let Della Robbia see.
His cousin. Very well. Whatever you say, sir. Say, when you have time, could I speak to you about a personal matter? It's about Suzanne Hertz.
It's a tunnel. We're about to get cut off.
How did you manage that with the principal?
I wrote a new program. Stern, Della Robbia.
Hurry up. Things are getting hot here.
Huh.
That's one down. That's one fan down as well. Jeremy, tell me you've reprogrammed a new vehicle.
Don't worry. Give me 10 seconds. Yeah, nice going, Yumi.
Do you still have a visual on Aelita?
She took off for Sector 1, the ice sector. Use a way tower.
On the overboard? Are you absolutely sure about that?
Well, yes. There's no reason you couldn't.
If you're wrong, I swear I'll...
You swear you'll what?
Nothing.
Can't do without me, huh? You won't get mad if I save Aelita, will you?
Odd.
No, let him, Ulrich. He's right. I was being stupid.
I don't blame you, Jeremy. I understand. I'm a pretty charming guy. It's only natural you'd be jealous of me.
Transfer Ulrich. Transfer odd. Scanner Ulrich. Scanner odd. Virtualization.
Aelita, you must stop obeying Xana.
Leave me alone.